73% of Gen Z say they're living paycheck to paycheck. But here's the twist. A growing number are quietly building 4- and even 5-figure savings accounts. And they're not doing it with boring spreadsheets. They're doing it with AI. From budgeting bots that predict rent hikes to cashback apps that stack discounts automatically, Gen Z is rewriting the money playbook. Stick around, because in this video, you'll learn 5 AI money hacks Gen Z is using right now to save thousands, and how you can start today. If your bank app still just shows a red bar when you overspend, you're behind. Gen Z is letting AI forecast, automate, and optimize, like having a 24/7 financial advisor in your pocket. Today, I'll reveal 5 secrets they don't post on TikTok. Plus, 1 free AI prompt you can use right now to slash debt interest. Let's dive in. Secret 1. Predictive AI budgeting. Hack number 1. Stop budgeting like it's 1999. AI apps like Cleo, Monarch, and YNAB's AI layer don't just track what you've spent. They predict your next expenses, flag cash shortages up to 10 days in advance, and build zero-based budgets in seconds. You can literally text Cleo, "Help me save 25% of my side hustle while paying $400 in student loans," and it'll reply with specific, emoji-filled steps. Action step: download Cleo or Monarch, connect your account, and flip on autosave tonight. This hack alone can prevent overdraft fees and kickstart an emergency fund. Secret 2. Spare change investing. Hack number 2. Turn spare change into wealth. Apps like Acorns, Wealthfront, and Revolut's Invest the Change round up purchases and invest the difference. That $4.25 latte? Rounded to $5, the $1.75 goes into diversified ETFs, often ESG aligned. Sounds small, but with compounding, the average user saves $350, $600 a year automatically. My cousin started with Acorns, linked his grocery card, added $5 a week, and 28 months later, over $7,400 invested. Enable roundups plus a tiny weekly deposit. Set it, forget it, and let AI grow your future. Secret 3. Side hustle autopilot. Hack number 3. Gen Z isn't hustling harder, they're automating smarter. Freelancers use Jasper or Copy.ai to draft client pitches in seconds. Etsy sellers use ChatGPT to generate SEO product tags. Some even collect royalties on AI-generated music. Workflow. Ideate with AI, publish with AI, market with AI, invoice with AI. Prompt ChatGPT with, "Give me 10 digital product ideas that cost nothing to ship and rank high for college dorm checklist." Pick one, create it in Canva, list it on Etsy, and let AI reminders keep you consistent. Secret 4. Cashback stacking. Hack number 4. Stop leaving free money on the table. AI cashback platforms like Top Cashback, Cheddar, and Revolut's Perks scan your purchases and ping you with personalized alerts. Example: 12% back at ASOS, expires in 2 hours. Even missed deals can be retroactively refunded with coupon databases. Stack cashback with loyalty points, and Gen Z routinely saves 20–30% on essentials. One friend saved $300 on groceries in a semester just by linking her cards. Link your debit and credit cards to 1 to 2 cashback apps and toggle on push notifications. Secret 5. AI debt sequencing. Hack number 5. Kill debt smarter, faster. Tools like Tally and Undebt. It analyze balances, APRs, and cash flow, then generate the most cost-efficient payoff plan. Ask, "When will I be debt-free if I add $137 a month?" And it maps out the date, interest saved, and credit score boost. Example: $6,800 at 21% APR, normally 76 months to pay off. With AI sequencing plus $137 extra, you're debt-free in 30 months, saving $2,840 in interest. Download a debt optimizer app, connect your accounts, and let AI resequence your payments. If even one of these hacks blew your mind, hit subscribe now. Every week, I drop new AI money strategies Gen Z is using to get ahead, including my next video on using AI to negotiate rent. Don't miss it. Gen Z isn't just surviving, they're thriving by outsourcing money stress to AI. Predictive budgeting keeps them ahead of bills. Spare change investing turns lattes into portfolios. AI side hustles create income streams without burnout. Cashback bots stretch every swipe. Debt sequencing slashes interest and timelines. Challenge: pick one hack and set it up tonight. Then comment below which one you chose. I'll reply with a bonus AI prompt to level it up. Until next time, keep saving smarter with AI.